Solana has been on fire in 2025. We're talking billions locked in DeFi, tens of millions of transactions happening every single day, and millions of active users. This isn't just survival. Solana is thriving. But if you want to join this ecosystem, whether it's DeFi, staking, NFTs, or just holding Sol, everything starts with one decision. Which wallet are you going to trust? Hi, I'm Lamia, and in this video, I'm breaking down the best Solana wallets in 2025, what's changed this year, and how to pick the right one for you. Let's get into it. Let's start with Phantom. It's still the most popular Solana wallet, and for good reason. Phantom is clean, beginners friendly, and it just works. You can buy tokens, swap them cross chains, store NFTs, and stake Sol directly inside the wallet. And here's what's new in 2025. Phantom now has smoother cross chain swap, better NFT gallery features, and stronger hardware wallet support. On mobile, it even has a built-in dApp browser, so you can use Solana app on the go. If you're new to Solana, Phantom is the wallet I recommend to start with. Now, if Phantom is the starter wallet, Solflare is for people who live and breathe Solana. It's dedicated to Solana only. You get all the basics, tokens, NFTs, staking, but the real power is in the details. In 2025, Solflare has advanced staking analytics, validator performance tools, and transaction simulation that warn you before you sign anything shady. It's also fully compatible with Ledger hardware wallets for maximum security. So if Solana is your main chain, Solflare is a fantastic choice. Backpack is the wallet for power users. Created by the team behind Mad Labs, it introduced xNFTs, NFTs that can actually run apps inside them. That's not hype, that's utility. With Backpack, you can stake Sol, swap tokens, and explore DeFi. But here's the standout. In 2025, the NFT lock feature, which protects your assets if you click on a malicious link. If you're into NFTs, DeFi, or you want to play with the cutting edge of Solana, Backpack is where you'll want to experiment. Glow keeps things simple. You can buy, send, hold, and stake Sol, plus manage your NFTs. What makes it unique is its Apple Keychain recovery. If you lose your device, you can restore your wallet through iCloud. That's super convenient for Apple users, though keep in mind storing key online carries risk, which I never recommend. Now let's talk about serious security. If you're holding a big bag of Sol long term, you need a hardware wallet. And in 2025, we've got two standouts, Ledger and Tangem. Ledger is the classic. It keeps your private key offline and integrates perfectly with wallets like Phantom and Solflare. Tangem is newer, but it's growing fast. It's a smart card style cold wallet that doesn't require seed phrases, and it's certified for high-level security. Both give you peace of mind, and in this market, that's priceless. Now, some of you might be thinking, Lamia, I already use MetaMask. Do I really need another wallet? Well, thanks to MetaMask Snaps, you can now connect MetaMask directly to Solana. It's powered by Solflare, so you can send, receive, and stake Sol without leaving the MetaMask world. It's still browser only for now, but if you're already living in MetaMask, this is a convenient bridge into Solana. And if you hold assets across many blockchains, wallets like Exodus also give you an easy way to manage everything in one place. So which Solana wallet is the best in 2025? Well, if you're just starting out, go with Phantom. If you're all-in-one Solana, choose Solflare. If you're into NFTs and DeFi experiments, Backpack is your playground. If you're already on MetaMask, Snaps lets you stick with what you know. And if you're holding long-term, add a Ledger or Tangem for maximum security. Remember, there is no single perfect wallet. It depends on your need, your risk tolerance, and how deep you want to go into Solana. Start simple, get comfortable, and as your portfolio grows, upgrade your security. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which Solana wallet are you using right now and why? Drop your answers in the comment below. I will be reading them all. Thanks for watching. I'm Lamia and I'll see you in the next one.